Alright guys, just leaving my place. It's a cold morning. Truck says -20, and with the wind chill, it's probably -25, -26 out there. I'm heading over to Jamie's. Goal today, ice fishing. Jamie's already been to set up the ice hut, and we're going to be on the lake he lives on. So that's kind of convenient in a sense, but you still have to get out there and you still have to set all your equipment up and all that stuff. So today's the day. It's a Saturday. I would guess between, I don't even want to guess a number, but it would be in the hundreds of men, women, young people will be out on the ice today, ice fishing around our area. We film what we do sometimes, not all the time, but it's not to, you know, say what we're doing is the best or anything like that, that's for sure. It's just, we're just filming our adventures and hope that, you know, other people will gravitate to maybe finding an excuse to get outdoors, and that's basically all the channel is about, and has been my goal since day one. Really, is just to, you know, not only share the outdoors but encourage others to get out there and enjoy it. And I think that ice fishing is one of those things that, you know, so many families get out and do, and there's different ways of doing it. There's different places to go. There's different strategies, what have you, and they all have, you know, they all have their place, and they, yeah, they work for people, and it's fantastic. I haven't been to his place in a while. I remember. There we go, arriving. Let the adventure begin.
Woo! Nice job.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Is everything still in the sled?
Oh, it's empty.
The sled's gone.
It's strung along the lake. No, everything's good, yeah. When it gets soft like that, you don't want to follow the slush line. You want to make your own slush line.
Yeah.
Other than that, you stay on the trail when you...
A little bit of slush.
after every time I'm done fishing, my hooks come off, they get put away, come back out the next time fishing. Hooks go back on the line because I fish different species, different size hooks. Not only that, safety. You get hooks that people leave the hooks on and that you're just asking for trouble. They're gonna get caught in my case, you get caught hand, face, like. But with the hard case, you put everything in there, nothing moves around.
Right.
And yeah, hooks off, lines in, ready to go. Like, I mean, these are just hockey sticks cut down with, you know, old fishing rods that I actually kept because they were broken, and I just made them. I you know, put them together.
That's a great thing about ice fishing, eh? It's like just
Hey.
ingenuity, like do what you want to do.
Nobody judges anybody.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, it's not a fashion show when you go out ice fishing. Like, I mean, you're out to get out, and you're out to hopefully catch a fish, but just to get out, you know.
How much ice we got here?
Solid 8 inches. Solid 8 inches.
And really, we're only like 20 feet offshore.
Yeah, it drops really good. One thing for people out there that are fishing, especially ice fishing, if you're fishing a lake that you don't know a lot about, look at the way that the land is shaped at the edge of the ice. So if you got flatlands coming in, most often enough, it's going to have a gradual drop.
Shallow.
But if you got a rock that's coming down on a steep incline, or decline, I guess you'd call it.
Well, it depends which way you're going.
If you're up or down, you're right. Then more often enough, that right off the shoreline, it's going to drop quick.
Nice.
And like you say, we're maybe not even 20 feet.
Yeah.
20 feet, I'd call it.
Yeah, I call it.
And
20.
it drops pretty quick here.
Yeah.
So that's a good fish the points. When you're going onto a lake for the first time, fish the points. It's your best spot to go. If you see any like little creeks that are coming out, like bay areas, those are good spots too. Down the hole, man. Did you see that?
No.
Oh, dude. Fucking down the hole. I was just sitting here playing around with it just 2 seconds before I grabbed that case.
Yeah, I never. Well, because you were in front of me, I didn't see the hole. No one to blame here. No one to blame.
That's okay. It happens, right?
Yep.
We'll go back down and see if we can find them. "23.
23 feet.
Yeah. And 34 degrees is the water temperature
Toasty.
for those at home.
Such a cool tool.
Yeah. Well, it gives you an idea that where they're acting, eh? Like you can see right now, there's something around 11 to 14. And here there was something just popping up there. There it is again. Got two of them down there now.
We're on the same depth?
No, different depths.
Maybe you should be
maybe
paying homage to your old man and doing some
get the old elbow grease going there.
yeah, do some jigging.
He must have seen it because he came down real quick. They do that, eh? Water column. Fishing the water column, they call it. For the professionals out there. I don't get paid to do it, so I'm not a professional.
You're fishy. Yeah, there's some red showing there, bud.
Yeah, it's picking up in the same spot right there.
Yeah.
So if you can fish around that area, bring it up a little bit, put it in good shape.
We're now maximizing 4 lines because that's what we can legally have. Yeah, it looks like we missed a big one, as is usually the case. All fishermen will tell you that one. But hopefully it comes back. You know, there was some fish marking on the flasher, but as soon as I started jigging, they left, so I stopped. Lunch is coming. Hey, we're having a good time. That's all that matters. All right, buddy, what's on the menu today?
I had to pull out the big spoon for this one. Chili.
Nice.
You can, well, I almost swore there. You can't go wrong with chili. I'm just kidding here, just... No. Yeah, just some throwing together chili there. Like, I mean, it's nothing too fancy, but hey.
Nice. Enjoying some nice hot chili. Compliments of Jamie's wife, Kim.
Oh, gross. No. She did okay.
Oh, yeah. Just the right amount of heat. Oh, more heat. Crushed peppers.
I'm gonna put a little bit of heat to her. Yeah, it's not bad actually.
Mm.
Like heat-wise, I mean. She did a good job.
No, that's perfect.
Yes.
No, not enough. And with any good chili, got to wash it down with a good beverage.
A little bit of banquet. Oh, I actually can't call it banquet anymore.
A what?
Banquet. I used to call it banquet. It's original now.
Oh, yeah? Cheers, brother.
We took a drink then.
Well, that's how we do things.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to enjoy the chili, and then hopefully we'll catch a fish.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is the end of our little adventure here today. The wind has picked up quite a bit. It's getting pretty blustery out. There's no fish to be had today, unfortunately.
They're all safe.
they're all safe.
So this morning was like about -26, and it was cold, but there was no wind. So actually it wasn't bad. And then it got warm during the day, and we're sitting at probably about -12, -14, I would say about right now. But the wind has picked up, and it's brutal. Like it's
it's
really
cold,
brutal. So we had fun.
and we only have probably another hour of light left, so we're gonna get our stuff packed up and get out of here. And you know, the fish are safe for another day, but we'll be back.
It is what it is.
But ice fishing's like that. I mean, it's not like you have the ability to move around, or if you do, you have to move all your gear with you. So it's different doing the hard water fishing, as they say. And yeah, you're just not gonna always get them, but
Yeah.
got to give it a go. And you know, I hope other people this weekend or today fared better than we did.
Yep.
Probably wouldn't take too much.
How many times I could do this? Yeah.
Anyways, thanks, Jamie. Thanks for letting me use one of your sleds.
Hey,
It
anytime.
was fun coming in here on the sled. It'll be fun going home. Of course, Jamie's got all the ice fishing gear, so he makes it very comfortable and enjoyable. So thanks for watching. Thanks to all our subscribers. Thanks to all the people that are just tuning in now. Subscribe if you haven't. We'd appreciate it. And until next time, guys, take care.